Hi everyone, so if you were in my Shopping for Deals live stream this morning, I featured one of the tripods from ProGear that I thought was a really good deal. But it hadn't quite come in yet. I ordered one for myself because it's only $12.49, plus tax, delivered. And it came in after the stream was over, and I thought I'd just go ahead and do a quick unboxing together since it came in. Now, this is one of these deals that just kind of come in once in a lifetime, because I had ordered another tripod from the same brand when it was only $16.99 or something. And that's this one right here. And I did a short review on this in another video when I talked about some of the things I bought online. And honestly, I think this tripod's worth closer to $60 because it's just beautiful, all metal design, and it converts into a monopod, has a really nice ball head, is very well dampened and everything. But you can't get this deal anymore. And I'm kind of rushing this video out because as of today, right now, this is November 12th, this tripod is still on sale for $12.49. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I haven't even looked at it myself yet. I just opened the top and then I said, you know what, let me just make a quick video unboxing this. So, okay, so it comes with a nice little tripod sleeve or case. Nothing to brag about. It's very thin, kind of nylon, but who cares about that? Let's see. Oh, we got some Allen wrenches here and some instructions. Now this tripod here is a little different than this one here, where this has like a standard ball head. This one uses a more of a video style type tripod. It's more of a fluid head is what it's commonly called. So let's see. Wow, lots of nice little plastic things I can repurpose for something else. Maybe too small for lenses, but I'll think of something. I'm always repurposing stuff I get, like these what do you call this? Cases or bags that you get with the tripods. These are so thin and not much use, so I repurposed them actually and used them as light stand weights. So let me show you this one. This is like another one of those tripod stands, and I just put a couple of weights in here. You can use soup cans or whatever, and I use these to weigh down my light stands like this one here. So far I'm pretty impressed. It looks like it's made of very similar material as this one. I know a lot of you bought this one the last time I advertised it, but yeah, I like this locking, spring locking clips here, and these are also metal. Now the center column here is a little bit thinner though than this one. Well, it feels about the same. I got something to measure that. Okay, a key difference here I'm finding right now is the legs here are right in here. This part is plastic. So I guess that's okay. For $12.50, I can live with that. We also have a plastic twisty knob here, but the legs themselves are metal, and then we have plastic flip locks. Now, I like this because there's only two sections here, or it's a 3-section tripod. So that inherently makes it more stable than, say, a 4-section tripod. But this seems okay. Certainly better than tripods that I've paid a lot more for, actually. All right, so the ball head here, let's see, this can extend one section, and then it looks like we can go another section here. So this is standing up. I'll put the measurements up on screen here after I make the video. But yeah, that looks good. Tighten that down and bring that down. So very good. Now this part here is metal. Of course, these knobs here are plastic, and the ball head is awesome, all metal. So let's see, this is yeah, this is very well dampened, I think. And it kind of just springs back a little bit, as you would expect with these sort of dampened tripods. Now what I liked about this is that it uses a standard Arca Swiss style plate and clamp. So I should be able to mount any of my cameras onto this because I use Arca Swiss plates on all of my cameras. And there's a little protection knob here. So the plate has a little loop here so you can just twist it by hand and put it in, and then these locking or safety locks here. I usually take these out because I don't like it locking on me. I usually take these out. It's just a little Allen wrench. So let me just put some weight on here and see. If I tighten everything down, good. Yep, that feels good. No problems at all. Let's look at the feet. Okay, the feet are not removable. They just have rubber stoppers on here. Okay, I can't. These are not coming off. So these are not replaceable. So I stand about 5'8". So with the camera, it just comes up to about chest level. So I would definitely have to raise this up to get it to eye level, about right here. Tighten that. And that still feels pretty solid. That's good. And if I'm doing video, and I can pan. So overall, I think it's a pretty good tripod, especially for $12.50. Now, if you can't get that deal today, I would spend maybe up to about $25 for something like this. Otherwise, I would start looking for other deals on tripods because this is a great tripod if you're sort of a hybrid shooter, you know, doing photo and video. But for photography, there is one serious limitation, and that is with this kind of fluid head, you don't have a way to tilt the camera sort of left to right like this. So if you want to level your camera to, say, do a landscape or against some horizon, what you have to do is you have to adjust the legs, you know, until the camera is level. So you don't have a lot of flexibility tilting the camera, or it's very awkward otherwise, right? Or you have to get an L bracket, you know, if you want to do verticals. So keep that in mind when you're using a fluid head type head on your tripod. And when you go to look at this online using, you know, I have my Amazon affiliate links down below. Be sure to check the 50% coupon because it's selling for $25, but there's a 50% coupon right now to get it for $12.50. So that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this little mini review. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.